Welcome, everyone, to our special feature on the 22 incredible gadgets that are here to revolutionize your safety game. In a world where security is paramount, these cutting-edge devices have stepped up to the plate to keep you protected. Without further ado, let's dive into the first gadget on our list. Number 1. Smart Personal Alarm. Introducing the Smart Personal Alarm, a pocket-sized guardian that packs a powerful punch. Activated with a simple touch, this compact device emits a piercing sound, instantly alerting those around you and providing a crucial layer of protection in any emergency. Number 2. GPS Trackers. Unlock peace of mind with GPS trackers, your key to location awareness. Attach these compact devices to your valuables or loved ones, effortlessly tracking their real-time whereabouts through a user-friendly smartphone app. Number 3. Wearable Safety Lights. Illuminate your path with wearable safety lights, the perfect blend of style and security. Ideal for night activities, these compact gadgets ensure you're visible to others, enhancing your personal safety in any low-light situation. Number 4. Biometric USB Drive. Meet the Biometric USB Drive, where your fingerprint becomes the key to unrivaled data security. This compact device ensures your sensitive files stay confidential by requiring your unique biometric authentication, providing a seamless and cutting-edge solution for safeguarding your digital world. Number 5. Emergency Multi-Tool. Introducing the Emergency Multi-Tool, a compact powerhouse designed for versatility in any situation. From cutting seatbelts to breaking glass, this essential gadget consolidates multiple functions, ensuring you're well-equipped to handle unforeseen challenges with ease. Number 6. Portable Air Purifier. Breathe easy with the Portable Air Purifier, a compact companion that creates a personal clean air zone wherever you go. Number 7. Anti-Surveillance Glasses. Step into the future with anti-surveillance glasses, equipped with technology to thwart facial recognition software and protect your privacy. Number 8. RFID Blocking Wallet. Guard your financial information with the RFID Blocking Wallet, a sleek and functional accessory that shields your credit cards from electronic pickpocketing. Number 9. Voice Changer. Unleash your inner spy with the Voice Changer, a compact gadget that transforms your voice for enhanced anonymity during phone calls or online conversations. Number 10. Portable Door Lock. Enhance your security on the go with the Portable Door Lock, a compact gadget that provides an additional layer of protection for hotel rooms or air accommodations. Number 11. Personal Water Filter. Stay hydrated wherever adventure takes you with the Personal Water Filter, a compact lifesaver that guarantees clean drinking water in challenging environments. Number 12. Anti-Kidnapping Band. Introducing the Anti-Kidnapping Band, a discreet wearable that adds an extra layer of personal safety. In case of an emergency, this innovative gadget sends distress signals to pre-selected contacts, providing peace of mind for those navigating unpredictable situations. Number 13. Bulletproof Backpack. Empower your everyday. Carry with the Bulletproof Backpack, a fusion of style and security. This essential accessory not only offers ample storage, but also provides reliable protection in unforeseen situations, ensuring you move through life with confidence and peace of mind. Number 14. Stun Gun Phone Case. Upgrade your phone's defense with the Stun Gun Phone Case, a powerful accessory combining technology and personal safety. Number 15. Emergency Fire Escape Mask. Be prepared for emergencies with the Emergency Fire Escape Mask, a compact device providing respiratory protection in smoke-filled environments. This essential gadget ensures your safety during unforeseen fire situations, offering a breathable lifeline when you need it most. Number 16. Solar-Powered Charger. Harness the power of the sun with a solar-powered charger, your portable energy solution. This gadget ensures your devices never run out of battery, offering a sustainable and reliable charging option, especially in emergency situations or off-the-grid adventures. Number 17. Smart Pepper Spray. Elevate your personal safety with the Smart Pepper Spray, a high-tech defense tool that connects to your phone, automatically alerting authorities and emergency contacts when deployed. Number 18. Cybersecurity Webcam Cover. Enhance your digital privacy with the Cybersecurity Webcam Cover, a simple yet effective accessory that ensures no unwanted eyes are peering through your device's camera. Number 19. Wearable Air Quality Monitor. Stay informed about your surroundings with the Wearable Air Quality Monitor, a compact gadget alerting you to potential health hazards in your environment, ensuring you breathe easy wherever you go. Number 20. Portable First Aid Kit. Carry confidence with the Portable First Aid Kit, a comprehensive solution for immediate response to injuries or emergencies, ensuring you're prepared for any unforeseen situation. Number 21. Smart Doorbell Camera. Upgrade your home security with a smart doorbell camera that allows you to monitor and interact with visitors remotely, adding an extra layer of protection to your home. Number 22. Drone Security Guard. Our final gadget is the Drone Security Guard, a high-tech aerial companion that patrols your property, providing real-time surveillance and deterring potential threats. And there you have it, 22 gadgets that redefine what it means to be safe and secure. Whether you're exploring the outdoors or navigating the digital landscape, these innovative devices have got your back. Stay safe, stay prepared, and embrace the future of personal security.